Let's chit our potatoes. But what is chitting? Welcome to Gardening with Ben. In today's video we're going to be explaining what chitting potatoes means, as I get asked the question of why we should chit our potatoes. Some people do it, some people don't. I tend to do it because I've always done it and have had great results from chitting my potatoes before planting them. So yes, now is the time when all the garden centres and the shops will start getting in all their seed potatoes. Seed potatoes are usually better than the shop bought potatoes from the supermarket, as they've not had any pesticides or things growing on them. They're fresh and organic and great, probably usually disease resistant potatoes. So that is why we use seed potatoes rather than the supermarket ones. So what is chitting? Chitting means when you put them in egg cartons or in the square seed trays and you place the eyes facing up on them. You usually can see where the eyes are because some of them have actually started sprouting when you purchase them. When you purchase the potatoes, don't purchase ones that are being like kept in the dark and stuff like that and they've got loads of shoots all over them because they're too long on them. They're not the sort of potatoes that you want. You might think, oh, I'll get more potatoes off them ones, but you won't actually. They won't do very well. So when you're purchasing your potatoes, make sure that they've not started growing on them, that they're still pretty short and not much sprouts on them. So that is one tip. Don't store the potatoes in the dark because that's not what you want them to do. When you're storing your potatoes, and how to chit them is basically you get your egg carton, you place them so that they've stood up in the egg carton and the eyes are facing up. You need to put them in somewhere light, so like my polytunnel, and where it's frost free, because you don't want them getting the frost to them and getting rock hard. And something that I've learned from last year as well is make sure that you don't leave them anywhere where rats, mice or squirrels can get to them, because trust me, they pinched all my potatoes last year and I didn't grow many potatoes last year because they'd been pinched and they'd disappeared. So yeah, make sure that there's somewhere safe. So I'm going to store mine in my mini greenhouses and fastened up so that they can't, hopefully, fingers crossed, get to them and take them out of there. So that is one lesson that I've learned for last year. And with chitting, it means that it's faster growth after planting them. It encourages short shoots on them to form before the potatoes go into the ground. This means that they'll grow more quickly once they have been planted. Next is that you'll get earlier harvests from them. It usually encourages harvests probably about 2 to 3 weeks faster than what you would do with normally planting them. So if you wanted a fast harvest, get them chitted first. Also, it encourages stronger, healthier plants. Pre-sprouted potatoes tend to establish better, especially in cooler spring soil, giving you sturdier plants. Now, I usually plant my potatoes on Good Friday. Yes, it moves every single year, Good Friday, but it's an old gardener's tale where you should plant them on Good Friday because it's to do with the moon. So I've always stuck to that rule, and that's when I usually plant my potatoes out in the ground. And it makes a better use of the growing season. In the UK, our growing season can be tight, and chitting helps potatoes make the most of every week of good weather. So yeah, getting them in pretty early helps getting better, faster potatoes. So that is the reason why we chit. So obviously, like I said, some people don't chit, they just put them straight in the ground, but they'll take a bit longer to grow if you just put them in the ground rather than chit them. So yeah, that's what I enjoy doing, and the reason why I like chitting them is because then they're in the ground before I'm starting to sow my seeds and cracking on with that job. So that is what chitting is. So make sure you stay tuned for my next video, where I'll be talking about what the difference is between first earlies, second earlies and main crop potatoes, as well, as I've been asked a lot of questions about that. So thanks for watching today's video. Make sure you drop us a follow to stay up to date with all our videos. Until next time everyone, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben, everyone.